Hi everyone, welcome to the Writing Center's ongoing Canvas workshop series. My name is Rachel Paprocki. I'm the manager of the Writing Center, and I'm here today to give you a quick overview of what this workshop series is, how you can navigate it, and a little bit of what to expect. So if you are here watching this video, congratulations, you've already registered for the workshop series, and you'll be able to see this workshop icon in your Canvas dashboard forever. You just needed to register once, and now you can check back every quarter or as often as you like to catch up on our new and developing workshops and other resources. So also, if you're watching this video, that means that you found our course introduction icon. If you click on that, not only will you find this welcome video, but you'll also find a Q&A forum and some more information about how to access the Writing Center. This page includes a link to make an appointment with the Writing Center. So you just click that link, it'll take you to our homepage on the quad, and you can schedule an appointment to meet with us right then and there. You can make appointments to meet with Writing Center consultants even if you are an online or a regional campus student. I repeat, even if you are an online or a regional campus student, you can meet live with a Writing Center consultant over the phone, through Skype, Google Hangouts, or Zoom. So we've got lots of options for you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're very excited to get to know our online students. So that is the welcome introduction section, the course introduction. Underneath that, you'll see these larger icons with the title of a workshop. Each one of those represents a separate workshop that you can work through completely at your own pace. So for example, this first one, Understanding Texts, is divided up into 3 different sections: objectives, topics, and discussion. Each one of our workshops will have these 3 sections, so you can expect kind of the same thing from each workshop. The discussion is a live forum that you can interact with the Writing Center consultant on, as well as everyone else who's ever posted on that forum. So it's a great opportunity to really test out your learning, ask questions of your peers, ask questions of the Writing Center as well. And below that, below each of the subject-specific workshops, you'll find the famous Writing Center Bootcamp. So if you are returning back to Fuller after several years off of school, or if you're coming to seminary as a student with a background in something completely different like mathematics or economics, or if you had an entire career that was in something other than academic theology, this bootcamp is absolutely for you. It's 8 different sessions, which we've divided up into like weeks. So if you take one session 1 week at a time, they're very similar to the larger subject-specific workshops in that you can work through them completely at your own pace and interact with a Writing Center consultant and check your learning at the end of the section. We do recommend that you work through them in sequence, so go through in order 1 through 8, unless you have a really specific idea of something that you're looking for. For example, integrating sources or editing and proofreading. Those are great standalone workshops on their own. So that's the way that the course is organized, the course shell is organized. If you have any questions at all, at any time in this workshop series about anything related to either your coursework or the workshop or the Writing Center, please reach out to us. Send us an email at writingcenter@fuller.edu. Give us a call or stop by the office if you're here in Pasadena. We'd love to get to know you. Thank you so much.